Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell that you are first to get my videos. Today I'm making a beach cake, guys. I'm not a pro. I do this for fun, and it helps me mentally right now. These are the ingredients plus milk that I'll be using for my frosting, which is buttercream frosting, and I'll be creaming my butter. I'm not really giving you the recipe how to do that because everybody basically do it their own way. I'm adding conventional sugar right there and a little bit of vanilla and eventually milk, and that's the consistency that I wanted. I'm putting away in my containers, two containers, because I will do with blue and white later on. I'm taking lady fingers to make the sand, and I'll be blending that so that it could become really fine in order to create my sand on the beach. So look at that. Awesome. My food processor is kind of a pain in the butt, so I was shocked that it made it this fine. And so now I will be covering that up and saving it. So these are the little cake toppers that I got from Amazon. And I'll only be using three today. Right now I'm taking them out and washing the ones that I'll be using. And they came up to about $19 or $20 for everything. So now, while my frosting is away, I will be putting my cake, making my cake. Again, whatever cake recipe you have. This is not a video about how to make frosting or cake. And I love this right here, Bake Easy. It's really easy. It's a Wilton product, and I got it from Michaels. And it makes your cake pop right out. Doesn't stick. A little bit, I missed a little piece. It ended up coming off, but I couldn't even tell. So, like I said, I'm not a pro at making cake. I did a cake decorating class a while ago. I took 4 courses. My son wanted to take cake decorating class because of the cake boss, and so I did it with him in order for him to be able to do it and be supervised. So, my cakes are done. I will wrap them up in cellophane, and put them in the refrigerator until it's ready to be cut. And now I'm slicing them with my level, and somehow I messed up a little bit with the level for the second cake because the cake was leaning a little bit to the left. But again, you know, it was a gift for my neighbor's daughter. She turned 9, and her invitation was a beach theme party. And I was like, yay! I did a dinosaur cake and I used water, so I had a little bit of the piping gel to finish the water. So for the inside, I did strawberries and I cut both cake in half. So basically, I had maybe like 4 layers with one. This is one and two, three. So maybe 3 layers with strawberry inside. And then I will go ahead and crumb coat it, that I'll be doing now, and then put that in the refrigerator. But first I will trace the top in order to put where I want my water to divide the sand. So I'll just be doing a little sketch with my um, spatula, and then take my the lady finger and put the sand on. So I'll put that on before I put it in the refrigerator and let the crumb oh my god, you didn't hear that. Crumb coat set. So anyways, it's set, and now I'm getting ready to figure out what I want to do on the side. So I'm just gonna lay it down a little bit on the side and not too much. And so the reason why I didn't dye the cake the day before, this is the piping gel. I'm using the airbrush coloring in order. I use the same for the icing as well. It was because I wanted to crumb coat it first and see how much I would need, what I wanted to do, if I wanted white, if I wanted blue. I wasn't sure yet, so that's why I put them away. And I do have the green icing in order to put a little bit of grass on the beach. So I am just putting on again for my dinosaur. My husband's like, why is the water so blue? I'm like, oops. But I put a little bit, somehow a lot came out, so the water is extra blue again. But hey, if we didn't have pollution, the water would be this blue. No, I'm kidding. So I'm finishing my pipe and gel. I used most of it on the dinosaur cake for the water, and I'm using it here now. So this is, see, that's a little bit of blue I use, like, but this is for the icing as well. So the icing, the blue for the icing and the blue for the piping gel is like two different blues. This, even though it's the same blue, and I had to put a little bit more. Hey guys, if you haven't done so by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you're first to get my videos. So I'm trying to show you a different angle. So sorry about this because I do solo. I do the videos, the crafting, whatever it is, the editing. That's my normal tripod that I use right there with the dumbbell for overhead, and then I put a little like if you're eating and you're watching your phone, you have a little tripod. That's the one I'm using. So for the side right there. So I'm just, this is an easy way to ice your cake, you guys, so you don't have to keep washing these piping bags. Just put them in the cellophane wrap and then just design them. So I am, like I said, I kind of did the little waves effect on the side of the cake, which was easy enough. And then I am just piping this bottom, and I'll also be piping the top. The icing was getting a little bit softer, so I had to hurry. That's why I was kind of hurrying up. I was hurrying up to do that so that it would not get lose too much of the design that I was trying to do here. So I'll be doing the bottom and the top. Again, I'm trying to use my little tripod to show you that I'm doing that. I'm not showing you how to decorate a cake, guys. I'm just showing you how I decorated this little cake. So anyways, I'll be working on that. And I dropped off the cake, and hopefully they liked it. So now I'll be doing the top, and I was really hoping to try to do the toppers or the top of the cake with fondant, or like I did for the dinosaur cake, I did chocolate melt, but there wasn't a lot of molds representing beach. And then I was pressed for time as well because my son was graduating. Every day was an activity before graduation day. Then he played basketball. He played basketball on a team. So every day was like practice early, pick him up, drop him off. Then he had to do cover tests every 2 days before his game or practice. So it was like a really exhausting week for me. So I'm so glad I was able to get this cake done as well because I had promised. And I hope she liked it. Her theme party was beach again. And so I'm just doing the happy birthday on the bottom. I like to put the cake a little bit more in the back so I have more space to write. And but it showed up, it did the job, and like I said, I hope they really 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 liked it because I'm proud of myself, you guys. You might be like, that's so crappy, I've seen better. Maybe you have, but for me, I came from not even know how to squeeze a piping bag, you guys. So I'm proud of myself. And my sister said, from the Bear Pantry show, she says she wants a beach cake as well, but I'll probably do her as a rectangle if she still wants me to do it. And so, but her birthday's in August, and then mine is July 1st. My husband's June 24th. But cake is anything sweet right now I can't eat right now. So I wanted to taste this one so bad, and the dinosaur cake, but I couldn't. I just couldn't eat it. So let me know if you like it. I got this photo idea from Pinterest. I don't want to share it because I don't have rights to the photos. But if you go on Pinterest and you type in beach cake, the first one that showed up, and it has the same toppers, and that's where I got the topper from. So this is it, you guys. I really like it. I'm proud of myself because not only did I not think I'll be able to make a cake right now, but um, you know, I'm just overwhelmed right now with a lot that's going on. But um, yeah, so if you would like another cake that I want to do other than my sister's cake, if she's still having something, I want to do a doll cake. I have the cake pan for that one, and I want to do maybe a JoJo cake for my little cousin. But I want when I'm 100% that I'm able to go visit them and take the cake because I finally want to eat a piece of my cake, you guys. And then my sister's cake, and if I'm well, I will make something for my husband, but he like more like tres leches cake, so a lot of decoration probably won't be needed, but just some little part like a drip cake or something I'll do. Probably something really small. But here is a finished cake, you guys. And for my sister, I want to put her like a fondant female sitting in the chair with a camera next to her because she loves camera as well. So I will work on that soon enough, like the fondant and stuff like that. But I need a break right now from all the crazy activities that I've been dealing with prepping for graduation. And my son had a championship game, and they didn't win, but um, he's done. He's happy. He's getting ready now for the next stage in life, which is college. I'm so proud of him. While I've been sick, my boys have been there for me. They've been 100% in school, still doing well, and a lot of times dealing with their mom being sick. So if you don't know, you know now. My sons had to see their mother devastated. I was sick. I was in deep depression, and a lot of times they didn't know if I was gonna make it. They had to leave class to come take care of me sometimes. So I love them, and I'm so proud of them. So proud of them. Anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. Please don't leave without subscribing, and take care. Take care of your mental health, guys.